Declan Madden, President of the IRFU, with us to present the Player of the Match Award to Aoife Wafer. Declan.
Cheers, thank you very much.
Well done.
Aoife, your feelings on that performance?
Oh, it was brilliant, wasn't it? Like, to come out and to really represent Ireland on such a historic day on a 150, it is just amazing. So I'm just so proud of the girls to come out and to really put it up against Australia and come out and back up what we've done in the Six Nations.
Fresh off winning the Interpros, brilliant year for yourself so far. You now have a Player of the Match award to your name. 2 tries today. You must be loving your rugby at the moment.
Oh, I'm loving it. Like, I was always brought up with the saying, like, you play your best rugby when you're having a bit of crack, and that's what I'm definitely doing at the minute. And I couldn't ask for a better group to do it with, because these girls, they're just so special, and I love them, so they're like family to me.
How do you think today's performance reflects the work that the team has done in recent weeks?
Yeah, we have some really good plays that we got to show, but look, there's always still work to do, and that's the exciting thing about rugby as well. We're heading over to Canada now with WXV1, and New Zealand are our first opponent, so that's just brilliant too. Like, there's only 2 of us who've got to play against New Zealand in Clee and Nicole, so to be able to go out and play against someone of the calibre of Black Ferns will be something really cool.
You mentioned the WXV1, and we're ramping up for it now. How important was today's win to set you up for that tournament?
Yeah, it's really important, isn't it? Like, it's just a run out to really kind of build those connections, to really kind of gel together, and it just puts us on the front foot now going into that Black Ferns game.
Ítach míle buchas cohortachas that Aoife. We'll bring in your captain, Edel McMahon now. Edel. Gur maithfid Aoife. Edel, congratulations on the win. How proud of you are you of the team's performance today?
Very hard to put into words, because we've put down a very quick learning 2 weeks as a group coming in with staff and players, and I'm unbelievably proud of what we were able to produce there on the pitch. We were clinical, we played in the right areas of the pitch, and it just shows the depth that we have in the squad and the compete that we have week in, week out. So yeah, just very proud.
And as you should be. What do you think was a key factor behind the team's success today?
I mean, we have a lot of coaching coming in. Girls have been building on confidence from the Six Nations, even from the start in Dubai. Like, it's a year on since then, and we've a massive focus heading into a World Cup now next year. But detail has been really good. Girls have come in, been really sharp. Match preparation, girls off the back of Interpros. People are sharp, people are learning fast, and the detail, they just keep throwing at us and we keep absorbing it.
And a word on those debutants.
Unreal, like, to have 4 first cappers coming in and to put up a scoreline like that, and for it to click, like, there was no difference between starters and finishers there, and that's exactly what we want to be as a squad. There's no difference. You start, you finish, you have a job to do, and they were amazing.
What does this result mean for you and the team as you move forward and face into the WVX1 at the end of the month?
Again, it's just another block in where we want to build as a team. We're constantly growing, we're constantly competing. You know, there's plenty of work-ons there in that game, and we'll make sure to enjoy tonight, and then refocus, and then start getting prepped for Canada.
Absolutely, enjoy it all. Míle buíochas, Edel.